Today's quant question is Mr. Meena and Mr. Varun are neighbors in the Kanpur colony. The ratio of the number of sons and daughters Mr. Verma has is equal to the duplicate of the sub-triplicate ratio of the number of sons and daughters Mr. Meena has. So Meena and Varma. Suppose Verma's son are S1 and the daughters D1 and Meena's sons are S2 in number and D2 daughters. So here the ratio of the number of sons and daughters Mr. Verma has is S1 upon D1 is equal to the duplicate of the sub-triplicate ratio of the number of sons and daughters means Meena has S2 sons and D2 daughters. Sub-triplicate is this and then duplicate of this is so it is S1 upon D1 is S2 upon D2 to the power 2 by 3. The daughter in any of the houses are more in number than the sons. Means D2 is greater than S2 and here D1 is greater than S2. If both the neighbors have an equal number of daughters, it means D1 is equal to D2. What is the minimum strength of the total children in both the houses? So total children in both the houses is going to be S1 plus E1 plus S2 plus D. Now the point is minimum strength is required. Yes, means total must be the minimum possible value. Now see, first of all, the number of sons and daughters with Meena and Verma. Number of sons and number of daughters must be natural numbers. Okay, so as the value of S2, D2, S1, D1 are natural numbers. And from here, the ratio of S1 D1 means the ratio of the son and daughter of Mr. Verma is equal to S2 upon D2 to the power 2 by 3. So here S1 upon D1 should also be, this ratio should also be in the natural numbers. Okay. So for this purpose, S2 and D2 both must be a perfect cube number, right? S2 and D2 both must be a perfect cube number. This is a very important point which you have to consider. And now the question is minimum. Minimum strength in both houses. So look here, S1 D1 plus S2 D2. So S2 is considered the minimum. That means the lowest perfect cube number is what? If I take S2 is equal to 1 and it is given that D2 is greater than S2, then next perfect cube number is 8, means D2 is 8. This is a possibility. If I take S2 is 1, it is also perfect cube. Both are the perfect cube numbers, right? And the least possible numbers. So this will satisfy this condition that D2 is greater than S2 and D1 is greater than S2. So here D2 is greater than S2. So now S1 upon D1 is 1 upon 8 the power 2 by 3. So 1 upon 8 the power 2 by 3, this S1 and D1 will equal to 1 upon 2 the power is 1 upon 8. It means if S1 is K, then D1 will be 4. Okay, from this case. And now D2 I have taken 8 and D1 and D2 are equal. So 4k is equal to 8 means k is equal to 2. So S1 will be S1 is 2, D1 is 8, and here S2 is 1, D2 is 8. The least possible strength का जो solution हुआ that is S1 is 1, S1 is 2, and D1 is 8, S2 1, and D2 is 8. So it is 2, 8, 19. 2, 8 plus 1 plus 2, 19. So answer is 19.